Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to type greater than or less than. So you will see the icon of greater than or less than on keyboard. So almost every keyboard has this key, and if you are using US keyboard layout, so you will find this key near Alt and near Shift key, and also you can type this both one with Shift. So without Shift you will see this is the comma, full stop and comma. So if you need greater than or less than, so you need press this key. I will show you with Shift and this one. So with Shift type this one like this. So on keyboard I will show you. So thanks for watching guys. This is the both key you can type with Shift, greater than or less than. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.